Hi, this video is for you. Please consider the noise because I don't have any microphone right now. However, I'm going to share a short video for you so that it will help you to use the blog in your website. You can see the blog name is Rooted Text Blog. You have to first install the blog. It is a simple plugins because we can't add any extra blogs directly. We have to use a plugin, so I have made this simple plugins. First of all, install this plugins, and once you install the plugins and activate it, then go to the editor. You can go to the page or post anywhere you need. So I am in a new page and this is completely blank, and I am using Est themes. If you click on this insert link, and you can see there is a new category that is called the custom block. So it includes a block that is called the rooted text. Simply click on this and you can see default text are loading here, and at the right side you can see there is the options like the select the heading tags. The heading means I am saying this is heading and this is subheading. You can select the heading tag from 1 to heading 6, whatever you like. Similarly, you can select the subheading tag. That's mean this subheading. And similarly, you can change the heading color, subheading color, and the subheading background. And finally, you can control the animation speed. So this is the first one, and it is separated by a pipe sign. So this is the second text. You can change edit this text. I will show you a bit later. This is the third text, and this is the fourth text. Similarly, these are first subheading, second subheading, third and fourth subheading. Simply if I update and if I see the pages, you can see it is loading fast. It is working. I want to make it in the German language, then it will be better. It is changing. I want to add a space so that we can see it better. I am using a space here and bottom to make it a better look. So now we need to cancel it. Okay. You can see now it is reading fine. It is working perfectly. You can change the color and color. So simply change the color. You can also change the headings. Like I am changing this heading and changing this color. First one color changing, and second one I am also going to color change the this black background. Update, and you will see the color is changed and it is working fine. And suppose you want to add more headings and subheading, so simply add a pipe sign, new heading, and similarly add another subheading, pipe sign, and new subheading. So if I update and refresh, I will see that. Please wait a bit. Moment you can see new heading and new subheading. Okay, you can add the first heading here, and must use a pipe sign to separate the text. First subheading separate by pipe sign and update, and you will see first subheading here, first subheading inside. You can also remove, no problem setup. Simply remove, and I'm going to remove this one and this one. And if you update, you'll see it is done. Now I want to add another with the full split. This is another one, and I want to make it a speed of it like it will be loaded fast, like so super fast. It is loading super fast because I have the speed of this. It is loading fast. So I think you have understood the matter how to use your blog. If you have enjoyed it, thanks a lot. Have a good day.